singing a prayer song.
Ladies have been away
in traffic or whatever. We're supposed to be here at 10 o'clock. We couldn't manage it. Because for us, time is time. I'm prepared to motivate you guys or the ladies. And now we will take you in one step, Army, Navy and Air Force. Out of that, who is a part of Indian Air Force? This is not that difficult task. Last 10 years or so, we have started inducting.
You give 3 choices and you are given 1. In case it happens that for a particular center, say for example Chandigarh, we have too many students, right? Then what they do is they equally rationally divide you. They give a center which is not very far from your house, but yet you can reach there, which has a less presence of students. Okay, kind of stuff actually is. So those things are done by officers of the logistics branch. Say graduation, 60% criteria, and all. Okay. Thank you.
So there is a requirement for any type of requirement in joining Indian Air Force. You are most welcome. Log on to our webpage, career.nic.if.in, or in case you want to
Wait. Thank you very much to Principal Sir and Ma'am for this giving us an opportunity to stand before this graduate or the technical students who are inspiring to join Indian Air Force. And we have given them the total requirements of the selection procedures, how to join Indian Air Force as an officer, especially as the lady officers. And I hope they are motivated, and most of the students or most of the engineering graduates, they would be the graduates now next year or so. We have invited them to join Indian Air Force through our selection procedures, and I wish all the students here the very best and looking forward to meet you in Indian Air Force in uniform. Thank you very much. D.K. Chaudhary. I'm Commanding Officer, Airmen Selection Center, Begumpet. Thank you.
Okay, our main agenda for this basic talk at the college here today was to let the women in India know that defense is also a good field to explore, and it is really a life challenging situation, but yes, it is very interesting. You can join, and I assure you that it is a very good place to be, to work. And I feel that with this motivational talk, that in the next coming time, in the next cycle, we'll have a few students attending from here, and hope to see them soon join us in the Indian Air Force. Thank you. I am Flight Lieutenant Gitanjali.
Oh, International Women's Day. On this occasion, we organized this event, and Air Force officers, they came to our campus, gave awareness to make the students to join more in Air Force, apart from the conventional companies and any software companies or hardware companies or any company. This is a challenging job for them. I wish them all the best to join in Air Force.